So I told you I'm gonna show you how to open the needle valve. So this needle valve needs to move freely. Yeah, this little tip here. Okay, and you're gonna change the o-ring here. I'm gonna take it out right now because is an old one. I think I don't need it. I'll put it aside. Okay, so if you don't have a tool, there is a tool for undoing this guy. You have to grab a fork and fit this little channel here. All right, like that. Be careful, don't bend it. It's very sensitive, it's very soft brass. Right, and I'll use not this part with the groove, so I'll just use the straight part here. Don't go too heavy on it, just wiggle it a bit. Be careful, there is a little spring inside. Okay, it's not yet. Oops, good, I got it. Okay, so if you don't have the tool for this thing, you'll take it like that, but be careful, don't make marks on here. Right, that's the little spring inside. We'll put it apart and we'll take the needle out. Okay, put this aside. So this needle, make sure it's not bent, it's not corroded or something, just clean it. It's got a little rubber stopper here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burn this old thing, this rubber. Okay, we'll give it a good clean and then I'll show you how to fit the new rubber cord. It's 1 mil rubber cord. You need to just glue it a little bit here, the tip, and just fit it back here, and then you cut, you have a straight cut. I'll show you in a minute. I just got this drill bits and this holder from eBay or Amazon. It just this is 1 mil drill bit, so you're gonna clean the little rubber slot here, clean it good, and then we have some super glue here. Okay, a little bit. I'll first I'm gonna check if I can fit it here. Yeah, it's going in right. It's a bit fiddly. Oops, just a bit of super glue here, and let's try to fit it here. Okay, hold it a bit. Okay, you can press it just a little bit, leave it to dry a bit, and then we'll cut it straight here. Okay, that's the new needle stopper. Yeah, good, we have a right one. Now we're gonna put this back here. Make sure it's not bent. Yeah, and it's gonna go this way here, like that. Good. Where's the little spring here? All right, oops, spring, and then we have this guy. I'll just grease it a bit here, just to make it easier to go in. You see, I have some kind of oil here. Oops. Okay, okay, let's see. Right, put it straight back here and just give it a little tap with the plastic thing. It's okay. Good. All right, so now to make sure, you're just gonna clean a little bit inside. There's no gas here. Okay, yes, all right, good. It's clean and it's working nice. Look, okay, that's the needle valve, and I'll fit the o-ring. Where's the o-ring? Okay, for the control valve, which is here, control valve, I just change this felt here. This if you see here, I have some Zippo wicks. Yeah, I just don't buy it from the market. I just there's some special little sponges, they go here, but I just cut a little bit here and just press it down here. It's okay. And then you change the o-ring, use this tool, this kind of tool, you just open it and put it back here. Bam. Now I'm gonna put this o-ring here, as simple as that. This is 2 millimeter o-ring outer diameter, and I think it's 1 millimeter cord, so the section of the cord, so 2 millimeters outer. Good. We're gonna use some silicone grease just to give it like a fresh, you know, just a little bit, not too much. And here, okay, so this is done. Okay, I'll grease it a bit here, just a little bit, you know, just to have some grease everywhere, not too much. Good. Now let me show you all the other parts. Okay, so let's see, where's this focusing here? Okay, so this is all cleaned, absolutely sparkling. You're gonna use some that fine mechanism oil or some grease here, just a bit here for the adjuster, for the flame adjuster. Now this is clean. I put this little ring back here, o-ring or whatever you find. This lever is cleaned and a little bit of grease here. The flame adjuster as well, little grease. Okay, and basically everything is absolutely sparkling clean. Let's put it back now, and we'll start with disassemble, with disassembly or whatever. Well, you understand my English, I hope. So where's the ring, this spring here? We'll have a spring, well, this spring here. Good. So how we start? Okay, we have the o-ring, we have the spring. Good. We put the lever here with this hole, the channel upside. Okay, okay, make sure it's in this little holder here. Yeah, that's good. All right. And well, actually hold that lever and put this adjuster back. Make sure it's gonna go inside here, just rotate it a bit. Okay, something like that. Okay, it's on. Now hold this and we'll put this little thing back here. wait a minute, this little safety pin, which way? I think this way. Oh, 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 oh. I think I need to move the phone a bit, the camera. So this one here, not good, not good, here, like that. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit magnetic. Right, let's try. Well, it's here, it's in place. Yeah, it's not going out. Okay, and the tip is just there. I need more light. Okay, we have this back. Now we're gonna fit this thing. Be careful with the spring. We're gonna fit the wheel with the small part here. Good. And now try to put this one little bit. Okay. And now look. Good. Finally we have it right here. Good. Yeah, it's good. Now just keep it pressed down, and I'll do the little screw. One there. Oops. Okay, one here. That's a bit annoying. Right. One is gone, and the next one. Tick. Oop. Is just need to open this. Okay. Now next one is here. Boom. Good. Not too tight, just by hand. Okay, and this one I'm gonna check it again. Yeah, it's okay. Good. Pause. Right, make sure this is okay, it's in place, it's not coming out. All right, we have everything okay. Boo. Good. Lid. We're gonna fit the lid. I cleaned it really nice. I just give a polish with you can use some Autosol. I use that for all metal parts on my motorbike, even the rusty one. Is a really good stuff. So I just wipe it a bit and wipe it down, buff it off, and you have a good, nice, shiny finish. Right, we put this back, the lid, and then with the pin, with this bolt, basically there is a straight end here, and there's some grooves on this end. So this end with the grooves, just keep it in your hand, so outside. You're gonna go all the way down, and the grooves gonna get here just to stop going too much inside. So I'll give it a little bang with that needle here, like that. If you have some metal rods is gonna be easier probably. I think it's alright, huh? Maybe a bit more. I need to see what I'm doing here, because I'm trying to film to show you how. Good. That's all the way down, and you can see it here. Right. One more last one. It's enough. That's enough. Yeah. It's enough. Good. Now everything is nice. Spring barrel with this little part here. We go to the back. I just put it here, and then try to press it. It's a bit tricky. Press it. Go there. Yay! I got it. Use your chubby finger if you have some. Stubby finger. Alright. That's good. It's great. Simple. Alright. Now, when you fit this needle valve back, just look inside and tap it a bit. Nothing has to be in the way. You open the lid and you look through this hole, and probably no, I have to go all the way down with it, all the way up with the flame adjuster. Let's see. I'll try to run something in to see, but don't scratch anything. Okay. I think it's aligned now. Might be. Okay, let's see. This one goes here. Don't forget your spacer, but if you can't adjust the flame properly, you need 2 spacers. Alright, so we'll fit this back, push it back here, and you're gonna see the needle, like the casing of the needle is gonna be like 1 millimeter out of this thing, you see, and the needle is going to move freely. Okay, good. And then we have to put this control valve, but don't forget about this little bloody spring, which it should be straight in the center of the needle valve. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some grease, because this little bugger is gonna jump and you not find it. You're gonna just look for him and you're not gonna find him. Alright, something like that. I'll leave it in the center of the control valve, and come on, like that, and keep it up side. Fit this back here. Oops, I hope it's there. Screwdriver, a screwdriver. You need other bit here. Hope it's all right. Right. Now let's fill it and see how it's gonna work. I have a little adapter here for Dunhill. Now I didn't check the filler valve to see if it's okay, but hopefully it's gonna be okay. 3 seconds. Yeah, it's all right. Now you have to open the lid. I'll go all the way down, all the way up with this valve. Okay, yeah, it's okay, it's up. If you hear hissing and gas just going everywhere, it's not good. You need to just tight the control valve a bit more. Ooh, I think it's too big. Yeah, I'll tighten it more. Okay, let's see. Oops, there's no flame. A little bit back, anti-clockwise. Okay, we have a flame. So we are at the maximum setting here. the flame adjuster, so we need to give it more gas from the control valve. Yeah, the maximum should be, let's say, like that. Okay, something like that. Now we're gonna go all the way down. I just use this cloth because my fingers are ruined because of this wheel. Yeah, okay. It's too small. Yeah, we're gonna play with this a little bit just to make sure we have a nice flame. Yeah, so that's the maximum. Oop. Close it. Try again. We go a little bit to the minimum. See, yeah, it's nothing, no, halfway now. Okay, so, oops, that's quite big. I think it's alright. The flame should be just like the lid level here. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. I'll leave it just for a couple of days for the control valve just to soak in the gas, and then I'll adjust it again if it's necessary to get rid of the air inside, because when you fill it you're gonna have some air. So to do that, you put that adapter and just let the air out. Oops, that's already gas here, you see, bubbling out, so probably it's no air inside. I'll give it one more. Good. So presumably there's no air now because I did that. Okay, yeah, it's okay. To me, works nice, absolutely fine. Good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, really nice lighters from the 70s. Really nice. I really like to have this hobby because it's a hobby for me, and yeah, really nice hobby. Okay guys, I'll see you next time.